Here is a quick and easy woodworking project that makes an ideal gift. I start with a thick piece of scrap wood. If you don't have anything thick enough, you could always glue something up. The wood I'm using is about 2 inches thick. I cut it to 4 inches wide by 7 inches long. I can get 2 out of this small piece I almost made into firewood. I marked the edges so I could line them up the same way they were cut. I cut a 1/4 inch off the top, a 1/4 inch off the bottom, and a 1/4 inch off the front. The center I cut about 3/8 of an inch around 3 sides. This will be the drawer. I reset the fence and take a 1/4 inch off the bottom of the drawer for the bottom. I cut about 1/2 inch around 3 sides for the drawer. Now to glue the parts back together, using the lines I made so all the grain will match. The top I lay out 5 3/32 by 5/8 inch slots and 1 3/32 by 3/4 inch slot. I drill and then cut out. Sand all edges smooth. Then, with a 1/4 inch round over bit in the router table, I round all the edges of the box. Finish sand with 150 grit. You can't even tell this was glued back together, it matches so good. Now for this game you will need a dice. I have a 1 inch by 1 inch square of maple. I lay out and center punch the locations. In the drill press I'm using a 3/16 inch ball mill router bit to make the rounded indents for the dice. Paint black and sand, and there you go. Now for the graphics. You can paint numbers or you can buy stickers, but I choose to use a CNC for vinyl. A Cricut Maker. I create a layout in the software and send it to the cutter. Once cut, I add a piece of transfer tape and position it on the box. And finally, I glue a penny on top, and it's ready to be finished. I spray right over the graphics and the penny with lacquer. Now the game is ready to be played. Each player starts with 12 pennies. The more players you have, the more interesting it gets. A player rolls a dice and must put a penny in the game board slot corresponding to the number shown on a dice. If a player rolls a number that already has a penny in it, they must take all the pennies off the board, and the turn goes to the next player. Hole number 6 lets a penny go inside the box, so you can roll as many number 6s as possible without any penalty. The play continues until a player runs out of pennies and is declared the winner. The key is to know when to keep rolling or when to pass to the next player. To make it interesting, each player can put a wager in the box, and the winner will take all. This makes a great gift, and you can keep it simple or make it fancy as you want. To see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel.